Alright, y'all, today we are here at this place called Full Speed, guys. I saw this on TikTok. I saw Cal's and 1500, I believe his name is, something like that, GC 1500, and I seen them get the chicken sandwich, y'all. So y'all know I had to come try it out. Let's see, guys, let's take a look at it. Ooh, that looks bomb, but this is not the one that I saw them get. This is on a biscuit, guys. Never seen nothing like it. I got the medium heat level. Let's try it out, y'all. Let's see what it's like. Yeah, the one I saw was a actual sandwich. I got the Roosevelt. This is called the Roosevelt. I mean, it looks good too. $14 for this, guys. Let's try it out. The sauce on it is really good. But that chicken is extremely dry, guys. And like, you can feel when you bite into that chicken. And the biscuit's not dry at all. The biscuit's actually pretty moist. I love the idea of it. I love how the sauce tastes, though. That chicken is too dry. Chicken is way too dry, y'all. And the biscuit ain't, though. Yeah. Because the sauce is really good and all that. I'd give this like a... Oh. 6.5. I think the 6.5 is fair. I should have gotten the chicken sandwich, though. For some reason, I thought this was the chicken sandwich. But this one's called the Roosevelt, guys. So if you guys want to come over here and try out the chicken sandwich. The lady in front wasn't really helpful, so... yeah, guys, I'll give this a 6.5 out of 10. It's okay. It's called Full Speed Chicken and Ribs. Yeah. 6.5, guys. That's a review. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that little bell button so you get notified every time I put a review. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Please follow me on all platforms. It's the same name on all platforms. Thank you guys for all the love and the support. I'll see you on the next review. Peace.